Hi guys, welcome to Toolmakers Recording Studio video diary. This is the diary after week 4 now. It's been a very weird week this week. It doesn't seem like we've been getting very much done, but we've been getting loads of tiny little bits done. We haven't got a big start on the bigger jobs we wanted to because of deliveries and stuff like that. So I'll show you what we've done. This week we've completed all the wiring. All the wiring comes back to here. A few socket circuits, lighting circuits, water heater. I think that's about it. We've got a bit overkill with it. We've put way more sockets in and way more circuits in than you ever need, just for future expansion, and also just so we can put enough sockets in. So if you've got a pedal board and you need a socket there, there will be one there. There'll be that many sockets in here. You won't have a problem with anything like that. So that's that. We need a new distribution board on there. That's all going to be happening in the next week or two. We've got this hoist door, which is really handy to get with all the plasterboard, all the timber, everything's come up through there. It's really handy to get the hoist going, lift it up and down. Saves all the hard work of carrying it up the stairs or lugging it up through here. But unfortunately, this nice, lovely looking old door with all the gaps in it, it's not very good for sound insulation. We've got noisy industrial works just across there. Plenty of noise comes through, so we're having to box it out. We've put the standard double walls that we've done everywhere else, just done a little angle on it, double wall, air gap, and then there'll be some double doors on there as well, just to keep all that noise out, and also to keep our noise in as well, just it's going to get pretty noisy in here. Also this week, we managed to reconnect up all the water, so we've got a working toilet, which is pretty nice, water heater, sort of sinks all working and that now. This is just about finished. I've been eager to get this finished. It just seems to be taking forever. The only thing really left to do is to put doors on, but that comes after the ceiling's done and the floor's done. What we've been doing today is we've been trying to fit this window, and I've been so eager to get this window in. It's one of my all-time dreams to sit behind the glass in my own studio, which I've never done before. My previous studio was a one-room kind of setup, so I'm really looking forward to getting this glass in. It just doesn't seem to be happening yet. The little bits and bobs we've been doing all the way around the studio, we've been plodding around doing all sorts of different bits, but we've got the frame in today. I've stained it up, so that's actually just drying now. Hopefully tomorrow or later on in the week we might get the glass in. We've got the glass that's over here, just cleaning up, sticking in that frame, and that'll look nice. We've also stuck an angle in it. This just helps reflections, and also there's going to be 2 panes of glass in there, an air gap in between, so that just stops all the noise getting through. Yeah, so this is the double wall. What we done, like I said last week, I think this wall wasn't done last week, but now it's all finished. Double plasterboard, timber frame, 100mm of rock wool, 100mm gap, and then repeat it again, 100mm rock wool, timber frame, double plasterboard, and that's what's going to stop the sound from getting through. We're going to do the same as that over the other side as well. We've also put the audio cables in this week, so we've got tons of them coming through. These are the snakes that are coming into the live room. I've got a 32 channel, which is going to be a 24 input by 8 output. That's going right over the far wall over there. I've also got a 16 channel, and that's just going into here, so if I've got like a vocalist or a guitar amp on this side, I don't have to take the cables all the way to that side, so that's going to be pretty handy. In here we have a patch bay, which connects everything to the inputs of the AC conversion into the computer and back out and wherever. So same thing again, got 32 channels coming in here, and then a 16 for this side. Also from here we're going to have an 8 channel snake that'll run through under the floor, through the wall into the vocal booth. We've just started putting the studs up. This is for the mix room, and that's going to go all the way around. We're going to total plasterboard this all in, and then acoustic treat it after, so it'll sound really nice. And it'll be quite a dead sound in here. Lots of bass traps in the corner, just to keep it as much under control as possible. With a live room, it's going to be a bit more lively. There's going to be some treatment in there, but it'll not be totally dead. In here, it's going to be quite dead, so we have the so we can really hear what's coming out of the monitors. And that's nearly everything. Oh, just today we just there was a big concrete platform here. I think it was from an old compressor or something like that. We used to make tools down here. But just had to, we've got a big breaker. We've got that all out today. It was a nightmare because it was really tough stuff, reinforced. But it was coming up above floor level, so it had to come out. This is hopefully, like I said, we're going to have some bass tracks in that corner, and we're going to have a sofa at this side here. We can't have a central with sofa because we've got a big doorway there. So slightly offset it, sofa in that corner. Along here, this is me on my desk, analogue gear, stuff like that. Might stick a chair in the corner. I think we're doing now Chesterfield settees, so we'll get a Chesterfield settee and a matching chair. That'd be nice. So, because this week we've had trouble with a lot of deliveries and stuff like that, not coming as fast as they should have done. I said I was going to get the ceiling done this week, but it's not done. Fingers crossed, the insulation will be coming for that tomorrow. It's the same insulation as the floor as well. So I've got some helping hands coming this week. They'll be coming in around boarding ceiling, insulating ceiling, and then once that's done, it's straight onto the floor, get that all done. And then it'll start looking like a real place then. It'll start feeling disconnected from world, it'll all be acoustically treated and soundproofed. So hopefully, come week 5, we will have got tons done. And I'm really looking forward to it, and I'm getting really excited now, just getting close to finishing. So thanks for checking out the diary. See you next week. Thank you.